What's up? Today I'm going to show you how to change your password in Windows 11 on your lock screen, but let's get into it. All right, so here we are on the Windows 11 desktop. What you're going to do is come down to the Windows search bar down at the bottom, and you're going to type in change your password. Once it pops up, you're going to click on it, wait for it to load up, and you're going to load into sign in options. You're going to see password right here. You're going to click on the drop down over here on the right side, and then it's going to say you're all set up, and then you're going to click on change. Once you click on change, you're going to type in your current password right there, and then you're going to click on next, and then now you're going to type in a new password. You can make it whatever you want, and then you're going to enter in your hint, and then you're going to click on next. All right, once you click on next, it's going to say change your password. Next time you sign in, your new password is the one that you just entered, and then you're going to click on finish down here at the bottom, and then it's going to change your password. And next time you lock your computer or log off, your password will be changed to whatever you just made it. But that's how you change your password in Windows 11. If you have any questions, drop them down in the comment section down below, and then make sure you like and subscribe, and don't forget, take it easy.